All right, so we know you're super excited about our
25th anniversary Silverbration.
There we go. I forgot the word. Silverbration. I know you're excited about Silverbration. We are too. We've been working very hard with Miss Nikki Lowe and Miss Erin Baker and Miss Alice Railton have all been helping to plan like a super exciting day for you. And we want to give you an overview of what's going on. So there are going to be 3 fun things to visit throughout this day. And it's not going to be a short day.
No, it's like 4 hours, I think.
It's a long day, and you're going to be moving all over our campus. So we are calling our 3 different stops castles. All right, so our first stop will be our blue castle, and it's going to be backwards for you, I think, in the video. It's going to be backwards for them?
It might be, but it's okay. You don't really need to see what's on there. You just kind of need to remember blue, green, and white for the castles, because you will go to the blue castle, and you will do some fun activities. You will go to the green castle and you will do some fun activities, and then you will go to the white castle and do some fun activities.
Awesome. And the blue castle is going to be very field day like. It's going to be fall festival kind of stuff, Silverbration type stuff, but it's going to be the kind where you go to each event with your class. You're going to learn about the event, you're going to play the event, and you're going to move on to the next. And this is where all of our bouncy houses are and some really exciting stuff.
But you stay with your class. So
at the blue castle.
From station 1 to station 2 with your class, and then you'll move through all the stations with your class and your teacher.
Next up, we are going to show you guys the White Castle. No, this is a lie. This is the Green Castle. The Green Castle are going to be all of your fun STEM-like activities for the day, but this is different than anything you've done before when it comes to like field day or fall festival. You don't have to stay with your class. So if you can tell on this map behind us, it's going to be located in the small playground, and you are in a fence in the small playground. So we have different stations organized. When you come on to the small playground right here, the stations go a number like this around, and then it kind of jumps like that. I don't think it matters for you what the numbers are. It matters for the adults that are helping. But you will go to different places and you will get to do different things, and you don't have to stay with your class. So if you have a really good friend in another class and you guys want to go from station to station together, you can. But one of the rules that you need to know about going from station to station here at the Green Castle is you have to stop at every adult when you begin their station. So you can't just pop into an activity. You need to visit the adult first, and that adult will let you know what you need to do to get involved with that activity.
For example, if Miss Whitfield and I were traveling together and we started out at the paper gliders, and after the paper gliders we wanted to go over to Play-Doh, we would walk over to the adult at Play-Doh and say, "We are ready to join this station. What do we need to do?" And then they will let you know what to do to enjoy that station. And here's the other cool thing about the Green Castle. You don't have to go to all 11 places. You can go to 2 places if you want. You can go to 5 places. You can go to 10 places. You get to pick what you go to.
Yep. And you might have to wait. So if you go to, I don't know, maybe Balloon Animal Station. If you go there and there's a line, then you might just have to wait in line for your turn, and that is totally fine. We could be patient people.
Or go somewhere else and come back.
And our final castle.
Do I have pictures?
We don't have a picture of the final castle, but it's gonna be amazing.
It is.
So it's the White Castle, and the White Castle takes place in
the gymnasium.
And we're not going from station to station. We have
a fun presentation for you.
I think the theme of it's fire and ice.
I think it is fire and ice.
I mean, we're going to be watching a really cool guy.
Fire and ice. Look, red and blue. We planned that just for you guys today.
Yeah, we did. But we have a team coming that's going to put on a really cool performance for you. That's going to teach us all about the different properties of fire and ice and the different things that they can do. And it's going to be so super cool. We've never seen it before.
No,
so it's going to be new to all of us. And we hope that you guys have an amazing time.
It's going to be so fun. We're excited.
Yep.
Coats. Make sure you bring coats. It's going to be a little chilly in the morning too. So coats, sneakers, anything else? Coats and sneakers.
Gloves if you want
Gloves
them.
if you want.
Yeah. Be warm. Right. Have fun.